Adding a LinkedIn profile to your Impasto account. Click the Add LinkedIn Profile button. In the first step, you see the instructions. We recommend reading them carefully. Here it explains what an anti-detect browser is, which is used when adding a profile, and why it matters. If the profile is added to Impasto through the anti-detect browser and further direct work with the LinkedIn profile also happens in the anti-detect browser, then LinkedIn's tracking algorithms see all the activity as one single session. This prevents warnings, bans, and any other restrictions from LinkedIn on your profile. This method is the safest way to work with your profile in LinkedIn Outreach. At every onboarding step, you also have access to a detailed guide explaining how to add your profile to your Impasto account. Use it if you find that method more convenient. In this video, I'll walk you through the process. Confirm you've read the guide by clicking Create Profile. In the first step, add the name of your LinkedIn profile. This name will appear in the main menu on the left. It doesn't need to exactly match your LinkedIn profile name. You can add prefixes like the country, client status, or other details. This way, you can easily distinguish one profile from others already listed in the main menu. Continue with the appropriate button. At the next step, set up a proxy for further work with the profile. You can select a country and automatically configure a proxy from that specific country. We recommend choosing the country where most profile activity will take place. That is, where the person using this profile is physically located. Or you can use your own proxy settings if you already have one. Allocating and configuring the proxy may take a few minutes. Next step, setting up GoLogin. GoLogin is the anti-detect browser we'll use for ongoing work. The goal of this step is to install the GoLogin application on your device and create a GoLogin account, option 1. If you already have a GoLogin account, enter the email address registered with your GoLogin account here. If you've never used GoLogin and don't have an account, use the second option. Follow the link, go to the GoLogin site, and create an account. The account creation procedure is standard. Click Create Account, complete a short survey, and go to the GoLogin application download page. Save and install the application on your device. After that, you don't need to do anything inside GoLogin application. Return to the Impasto interface. Confirm with the button that you've registered GoLogin and enter the email linked to your GoLogin account. Then continue. The third option is for adding a profile that isn't yours, a profile for which you don't have login credentials. For example, it could be your client's or a colleague's profile, but the client or colleague, i.e. the profile owner, haven't given you their login and password. Then, with this option, you can transfer the authorization process to the actual profile owner, the person who holds the login and password for this profile. You generate a shared link, copy it, and send it to the profile owner. The profile owner opens a similar interface via that link and complete the steps, including LinkedIn authorization. Step 4. Here you directly connect your profile. In Step 4, you see a short step-by-step guide. The first point asks you to check if you've installed the GoLogin application and if you've created your GoLogin account. If you haven't, you can proceed to download the application. If you've done it, this step can be skipped. Next, connect your LinkedIn profile inside the GoLogin application. Click the button and open GoLogin. Important! GoLogin opens a separate window of the anti-detect browser we mentioned earlier. Inside that browser, go to linkedin.com and log into your profile. You've successfully authorized into your LinkedIn profile. Now carefully close only the browser window, not the GoLogin application itself. Close the browser and wait for settings to apply. Once the settings are applied, you can close GoLogin and return to Impasto. The final point is checking the session. This may take some time. A green label means everything is working correctly and the session is active. If label is red, go back to point 2. Reopen GoLogin, repeat the authorization, and then check your session again. An important point. Inside GoLogin interface, you may see payment requests. Even in the first few days, you might receive emails asking for payment. Please ignore these demands since Impasto fully covers GoLogin anti-detect browser usage. Next step. At this point, adding your profile is already complete. The last 2 steps configure the already added profile. At this step, we set daily limits for invitations and messages. Limits depend directly on the social selling index score. With this button, check your profile's SSI, and based on it, Impasto automatically sets safe recommended limits for your profile. Higher SSI means higher limits. Profile activity in recent months also affects the limits. If activity has been steady and high, you can increase limits manually with sliders If profiles are less active, it's better to start outreach with recommended limit values. Continue. Finally, set the profile's time zone, working days and hours, for LinkedIn outreach activity. Complete the onboarding. Our profile is added to Impasto. We see the icon is now active, and we can start creating campaigns and launching LinkedIn outreach.